Hello everyone, so let's talk about power of 2. So the idea is given the integer n, return true if it is the power of 2, otherwise return false. And this is straightforward. I do have the index and power right over here. So if the index, I'm gonna call x index. If the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, right? The output for 2 to 0 is 1, 2 to 1 is 2, and then 4 and 8, right? So if the if the output number is odd, I mean not except 1. If the output is odd, right, it's definitely false. So if you look at 3 and 5, right, it's definitely false. But 1 is true, right? And also if the index is less than 0, right, it's actually false because that cannot be a power of 2, right? So I can have a if statement. So if n is less than or equal to 0, I'm going to return false. All right, so while the n mod 2 is equal to 0, and I will just keep dividing by 2, and I will actually hit a point when I can mod 2 in the while statement, right? So what happens if I get 1, then I will just check if n is actually equal to 1. If that is true, then I can just return true. If not, I will return false. So if this is happening, so n equal to 3, right? 3 mod 2. Okay, this is not true, so you will break. Then you will check if the n is equal to 1. No, right? So you return false. And so on for the 5. And if you have n equal to 1 at the first, then this is not going in, this is not going in, and you will check at the end. And this is how it works. So let's check the solution. So this is simple, this is straightforward, and yeah, definitely pass the test. So what if the time and space complexity? For the space is actually out of 1, right? It's constant, but for the time it should be logged in, right? Because you actually mod 2 every single time, and I mean you divide by 2 every single time, it's logged in. That would be the solution, and I wish you luck and peace out.